Everybody, welcome back to another video about VVS finance, guys. Once again I'm talking about a low price burning token. Guys, buy now VVS finance token because now everything is on the front of your eyes. The price of VVS is about just 0.00014008 USD dollar. The price of VVS token is very cheap, and other side, guys, 5.39% positive changes occur. So this means that it is a low price token, and other side, guys, the changes of VVS token is completely going positive, guys. So very congratulations everybody. And other side, guys, if you take a look of the further details, further updates, so you can see here trading volume is going negative 2.02%, but don't worry, this trading volume will become positive very soon, and fully diluted market cap, these everything is going positive in the market, guys. Let me show you the price chart of VVS finance. But guys, please, if you are new here, so kindly click the subscribe button for more update and news videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.